Hey guys, good morning. We made it to April. And guess what? It's sunny outside today. It's amazing. Ooh, I can even show you. Look. Look, it's for real. If you haven't gone up yet, it's actually sunny out. It's a April miracle. So, anyway, I'm excited about that if you can't tell. Hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. And I'm going to be trying something a little new with you guys, at least for my block classes. We're trying a Zoom meeting later, so check that out. I'm going to post what time it's going to be, and I'll post a link for you guys. So, anyway, let's do some current events today. See what we got on the roster. A few here in the United States, tornadoes touched down in Alabama and Mississippi. So anyway, some strong thunderstorms were going through yesterday, and as you can see here, did some damage. So poor Alabama and Mississippi. Further out west, there was actually an earthquake that struck Idaho. Pretty big one, 6.5. So south of Boise, I think it said. Thankfully, not a lot of people. But yeah, this was just going off and talking about how there's a relatively active area, seismically, I guess you would say, seismically active area in that region. So this has happened before. So I guess if that's the extent of the damage, let's see what else we got here. Anything else? Oh, that's kind of cool. So, kind of beautiful. I hope Stefan's okay. A few other ones here. Oh, I heard about this a couple different areas, but I was reading an article that said Florida pastor charged with unlawful gathering because they still held church on Sunday, even though there were orders of no more than 10 people gathering together. However, he says that he was trying to be responsible. That he was doing family groups 6 feet apart, family staff members wearing gloves, sanitizer, using an air purifying system. So anyway, but he was still arrested because some law enforcement said they saw the live stream and people were there. So anyway, not sure how that's going to work out, but interesting nonetheless. You can get arrested for this stuff. So I just mentioned we're going to be using some Zoom, hacking, raising privacy concerns. Anyway, I was reading up about this, and I think some schools are having issues with hackers getting in and interrupting classes and displaying inappropriate images and stuff. But I think that this is easily overcome if I just change a few settings, and I can easily control who joins our meeting. So, not too worried about that. But it's a new kind of stumbling block in this era of remote meetings. So good news for NCAA athletes. They said that your season's getting cut short, but you get another year of eligibility if you want. So it just kind of stinks for the people who are actually graduating and don't want to stick around college just to play sports. But yeah, so that's good news for a lot of athletes. Return of the barter economy. I was reading this kind of late last night, so I probably wasn't paying attention as well as I should. But apparently there are different social networking groups on Facebook or Nextdoor, and they you can say, hey, I need some eggs. I have toilet paper, and you put it out in this group, and it kind of matches you up with someone else who needs what you have. So anyway, or yeah, I have wine, but I need food. Well, I don't know about that, but yeah. So anyway, they're expecting it to grow a lot in the next couple months. So I don't know if any of you guys have ever done something like that. I have not, but done a lot of Craigslist purchases, but never any bartering. So I guess it's a good idea. Another side effect of Corona is divorces are on the rise. There were some articles talking about how, especially in China right now, the applications for divorces have gone up a lot, and so, but in Russia they actually said no divorces for you. So, but I think mostly has to do with the legal system. A lot of those people are not working or overwhelmed with what work they do have, and so they've kind of put, I think marriages and divorces are both on hold in Russia. So anyway, as people actually have to spend time together, might be straining relationships. So, but I love you, wife. And speaking of love, I don't know if you guys saw this one. This guy, I don't know if I can play the video for you, but he asked a girl out that he met on. Does this work?
I needed to say hi to her.
All right. So you know what? I'll leave the link here for you so you can watch it because it's super cute. But anyway, he sees a girl like doing a TikTok video on her roof. He flies a drone over, and anyway, he kind of becomes famous that way, and takes her out on a date. So, but there's a lot more to it than that. So check out the video; it's kind of fun. All right, guys. Don't know what else to say. We have just normal stuff today. Like I said, I do want to try that Zoom video, and I hope you guys get outside and enjoy the sunshine. Should be delightful. Hope you have a good one. See you guys.